The cow is grazing in the field. The leopard is roaming in the jungle. The ducks are swimming in the pond. The crowd of elephants are crossing the jungle. Chicks are crying for food. Parrots couples are eating. The deer is hunting for the food. The wild cow is eating in the field. The lobster is walking on the sea level. Baby rabbits are eating. The chameleon is walking in the aquarium. Rhinos are eating the grass. Sea lions are playing in the water zoo. Two lions are hunting for their prey. Turtle is swimming in the sea. Squirrel is eating the nuts. Monkey is playing with the stick. Caterpillars are eating the leaves. Python is looking for mouse. Jellyfish is swimming under the ocean. Honeybees are collecting the honey. Zebra is grazing. Hedgehog is eating. Bug is crawling. Fishes are swimming. Snail is gastropoda and looking for food. Horse is belong to class of mammalia. Ducks are omnivores. Pigs are naturally omnivores and searching for food. Giant squid is second largest living invertebrate. Giraffe are tallest mammals on earth. Cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Hartebeest is a large fawn-colored antelope. Hyenas is common large carnivores in Africa. Camel is a large animal that live in desert. Gorilla are primary herbivores but sometimes act as omnivores. Vultures are large carnivore birds and known for their strangling nature. Kangaroo is a marsupial that belongs to the micropotamus animal group. The tiger is a carnivorous. Flamingos are an ionic breed of birds. The ruminant mammals follow the family cell life.